Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope you are all in the same page again. And regarding this ongoing, very important, very crucial civil justice sign off, I'm providing for myself and also multitasking. And this session, it displays what exactly is a crime and how exactly is a crime and how the crime of the finance tax fraud was created and how and who gave birth to that hell. So that means United States of American government will provide the death penalty immediately to the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and all the absolute monarchs. So that is the live proof here. So this proof is enough for Pope Francis to resign abruptly immediately and I become the Vatican leader. Okay, so I will quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page, and I must get the civil justice right in front of the all humans only. Okay, Q1 2021. Q1 is January 2021, February 2021, March of 2021. Deadliest crimes at fault found guilty Republican government and Democrat of USA and absolute monarchs Antichrist Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created EMV chip. So EMV chip is called as the EuroPay, MasterCard and Visa card tax fraud crime. So if you see in your for a highest overview without getting into too much detail because that's no time. If you are going to see in your credit card or in your debit card, there will be a golden color rectangular chip, kind of an icon in your credit card or a debit card. So what is the meaning of that? It is called as the EMV chip. And they say it's called EuroPay. EuroPay means it is transactions created by the Europe nations. Okay, that's what I'm proving. The scandal I'm proving, it's provided by Europe nations, and Europe nations is ruled by Queen Elizabeth too. So that's all this is how the program logic checks on each and every single checkpoints. Okay, so when you're seeing next time that EMV check, the golden icon with the rectangular small logo in your credit card or your debit card, you all will be aware today, this moment, that it is called as a Europay, MasterCard, and Visa card. So it created the tax fraud, right? When you're swiping the credit card, that chip says it's going to provide a secured transaction, but it is not, isn't it? The calculator, the APR interest calculator, the loan calculator, the premium calculator, everything is a tax fraud. Comes under the umbrella of tax fraud. When that comes under the tax fraud, the entire credit card, the entire debit card, MasterCard, Visa, all must be sealed and shut down. Can you all see the deadliest crime Walmart provided? So when I said shut down Walmart, everybody must be shut down. USA must be shut down as well, right? So this session is all about that. It's a live display, and I want to keep this session short because it's already I do not want to create more. Have the long sessions. Okay, so this crime is what? The deadliest crime. The zero tolerance. Nobody knew. Population in USA, population worldwide, they never knew. They are the innocent population. And these absolute monarchs, they exploited the innocence of the population, and that's crime. Exploiting innocence is one crime, and then providing tax fraud without any awareness of the population is one crime. And whenever for swiping the credit card, they are providing indirect fees, that is crime. Then APR interest calculated, that is a tax fraud crime. Everything about the finance services is crime. Nobody knew that. Everybody thought whatever the crime provided by finance services is only justice, when it is only injustice. And this is the absolute attribute of how prostitutes will fool the population. It's not educated people got fooled. Who got fooled here in this entire scandal? It is an educated population, isn't it? How many transactions? I already educated. I do not want to get into those details, but then just be aware the severity, highest level of severity. Pope Francis is aware of the scandal, but he was just keeping quiet. He's not innocent. Queen Elizabeth too knows the scandal, but she kept quiet, being a queen and also being a guard of USA. Do you all know what crime is that? It's not even comes under the category of fatal negligence. She failed in the queen job and proved that Queen Elizabeth II is a super duper prostitute. Pope Francis failed in Pope job, God of USA job, absolute monarch's job, divine rights of God's job, right? Jesuits job. They are not innocent. And how and why and what purpose the USA is allowing those deadliest venomous wild endangered species to live in free, and that in palace. Does USA have any shame? What went wrong? Why the brain got lost in the minds of the USA government population? Why? I said you why, right? Because Senator prostituting with Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. GOP of USA are prostituting with Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, right? So that means Mitch McConnell, Brett Kavanaugh, President Trump, President Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, Vice President of the Trump admin, what's his name, Pence, Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts Senate, Bernie Sanders, they're all prostituting with Queen Elizabeth II. And see what state the USA is now, this moment. Can you all see how everybody sold the population to the prostitute Queen Elizabeth II? And also dependent mode. What if I have to freeze all the banking accounts, all the credit cards abruptly and seal and shut down, classifying it as child endangerment, adult man endangerment, adult human endangerment, adult family endangerment, adult family bonding endangerment? You all know what happens if I freeze the credit card and Visa card. Everybody will go mad and die, right? Because the finance stress creates that much of trauma. Who knows that? Do you all know that? No. Do I know that? No. Who knows that? Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis knows that. The Jesuits organization in United States of America was created to create only poverty. Nobody knew. Because they were wearing burqa and saying Jesus Christ, Hail Mary, Rosary, Lord's Prayer. They are all Roman Catholic fathers and Roman Catholic nuns, the purest form of prostitutes. They have been fooling population in the name of Roman Catholic fathers and in the name of Roman Catholic nuns, and they have been prostituting. They are prostitutes. So, yeah, you all got it, right? Why my blood is boiling, and as if this crime is not enough, Dr. Fauci provided a crime and Dr. Birx provided a crime. They provided a tax fraud crime. Does Dr. Fauci even know what is tax fraud crime? He provided with marketing that mask alone for a plague that is not even a plague. Oh yeah, I want USA to pay me $2 trillion for medical compensation. They are the cursed ones. They are the cursed ones. Forever, even in their coffin, they'll be cursed. Because of the crime they provided. They provided tax crime. They marketed for mask, and that is a tax crime, isn't it? At least they should have said, okay, you pay, at least you do not have to pay sales tax and federal tax and state tax for the mask. They'd forgot that. See, can you see the loophole, how I nailed on the forehead of Dr. Fauci, the prostitute? How I nailed on the forehead of Dr. Birx, the prostitute? This is how the prostitutes will fool people without any awareness. First, they will create fear, right? These are all the telltale signs. They will seduce, they will lure, they will attract. They will put a mouse trap in front of the people, like a mouse trap. How sweet a talk they were talking in the media just about the mask, right? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. You all seeing, right? All this crime is provided by prostitutes. Prostitutes alone can create disaster for mankind. Nobody else. They are prostitutes. You're seeing, right? I'm witnessing, I'm displaying $1 trillion of scandal to the United States of government, and I'm absolutely positive. United States of our government is going to provide me Medal of Honor, Medal of Freedom, all Medal of Types, Medal of Bravery. Because this crime, nobody educated USA. First time in entire human life cycle, I cracked the code, right? I cracked it. I cracked the crime. Nobody knew what was going on. People were just freaking out, looking at the medical billing cost, highest cost, isn't it? Do you all know, I educated when I was working on the Poverty Free at the End of the Year project. I said, I sure will make the healthcare medical billing to be $0. That means everything will be free. Dental cost free, dental crowning free, orthodontia free, filling your teeth free, correcting your teeth with braces free, heart surgery free, cosmetic free, free for everybody. Let Queen Elizabeth puke and die. Puke worms, pus and die. When everything is going to be made free, and when family members of Queen of Elizabeth II mandated to pay the tax, let Queen Elizabeth, the cursed one, die, get fried in ashes and be gone in ashes forever. So, I have to display crime after crime. We are going to the groceries, one crime. How crime? We are paying tax for everything. We should not be paying tax. Okay, after paying all the tax to the grocery, are we getting anything healthy food from them? No. We are getting toxicated food to get diseases only. Okay, okay, then at least Pope Francis should have said to the doctors, hey, doctors, don't provide medical billing, provide them free, because it is I, Pope Francis, only destroyed the grocery fooding process. At least he could have said that. He never said that. So again, we have to run to the hospital. The hospital will write for test labs. We have to go to the run to the test labs. Tax, sale tax, federal tax, out of network tax, co-pay tax, what not tax and tax and tax and tax crap. Right? Nobody was able to figure it out. Can you all see why Hewlett Packard laid me off and why Associated Bank laid me off? Can you understand why Department of Children Families laid me off? Today, they all will be running to the jail. They have to go to the jail only, no other go. Right? They feared me. Out of jealous, they threw acid on me. But on the other hand, if at all they would have allowed me to step in and provide the design solutions, those past few years, I would have provided excellent design solutions. They never provided me that also. And in those workplaces, all prostitutes are only working. So don't tell thing, will I have hurt feeling or not? I sure will have, right? See, these people are hiring all the prostitutes and having them in the workplace, and when I'm displaying the rightful crime, the display of the absolute monarch, they laid me off. Don't tell thing I will have the hurt feeling. That's my birthright, right? Are they humans? You all work and tell me, are they humans? Today, Associated Bank has to be in jail only. US Bank card must be in the jail. Freddie Mae must be in the jail. You name any bank, the state bank, the federal bank, all must be in the jail. Right? Roman province Jesuits organization, each and every single state, that state itself must be in the jail. That means you got it. State of Wisconsin must be in the jail, must be locked up in the jail. And you all got it why I filed for $500 billion. State of Wisconsin must stand upside down and pay me $500 billion, isn't it? Just because I filed a lawsuit, they created this COVID-19 crap. I still cannot tolerate that, my dear fellow mankind. Forever I will not tolerate that. The hurt is hurt. It's a lifetime scar Dr. Fauci created. Is he a human after all? Is he a human? What would you all have done? What will you all have done? The euro chip, nobody knew. The people already, we population are not that educated, right? These people are so cunning. They have not even educated the public population what the credit card is all about. We just go swipe the card, that's all. Hidden, we don't know all the hidden fees, and they displayed the crime. Now today tell me, Associated Bank in any of its credit card or debit card processing cards, it has this EMV chip. It has to go to jail, no matter what. Now can you see why God's labor is always God's labor? Even that Associated Bank laid me off abruptly, it's also God's always in control mode. Though yes, I am today in pauper mode only, I am a beggar mode only. I don't know how I'm going to pay my bills only, right? But today, I'm displaying the crime in a live mode. It is Associated Bank must be in a very bad shape today. Not even bad shape. There is no time for are we in a bad shape or not, like that mode for any of the finance services. All must go to the chair. Because no MasterCard, no banking. No Visa card, no banking. And these, you all got it, right? How on the earth, the US Bank and Amazon, they provided a separate crime to create a credit card without my consent. They themselves created the card and created a havoc. That all comes under this only. So that is why it is God shut down that local branch, and that is a life proof here. People will ask for proof, isn't it? That local branch got shut down. What is God's way of displaying why God is God? Can you all understand that? Can you all understand the supernatural power and why I am the God's child? They all threw acid on me. It hurts because I was only educating wisdom and they threw acid on me. Just like that. That is wrong, isn't it? Today, I am absolutely positive Associated Bank must be shedding tears of shame. That stress, right? For crucifying innocent, for being innocent. It's a lot of stress. I don't know whether they can even live on that stress. Because they crucified me just because I'm innocent and I displayed the wisdom, right? They never even bothered to pay me for the patented design I provide. It's costliest design I provided. At least they could have provided a retirement package for me, a solid retirement package for me, and provided a salary and base salary also, then laid me off. That would have been at least better, isn't it? For me to be in the healing process. Are they humans? You tell me. There are no monsters anywhere. No. Workplace are full of society, full of educated populations only. So why educated population only creating hell? I proved why, right? It's all because of this crap provided by absolute monarchs and the Pope Francis. So Associated Bank is the purest form of prostitute. Prostituting with whom? Pope Francis the prostitute, absolute monarchs the prostitute. For them, their operating services is provided by Pope Francis, versus when I said Pope Francis is the hell creator, they laid me off. And I provided the patented design also. So they should have paid me for that at least, right? How they provide a package for CEO, the retirement package for CEO. Like how they provide a retirement package for President Trump, no matter what. They should have provided me, isn't it? When President Trump can create that much of destruction and can get more than 300K of benefits until coffin or after coffin, why on the earth the same God of USA, Pope Francis, never educated Associated Bank to pay me a retirement package when they laid me off? Right? How much of emotional trauma I have to undergo through? Right? To be left out, to be mocked at, and to be bullied at. Oh, you got laid off like that? Nobody will understand, right? Nobody will understand what emotional trauma they enforced on me. It makes me to, they are all, so that means it is these kind of foolish people are pushing me to the edge to want me to run away from the human kingdom, right? To run away from the humans. Oh, it will be better off if I could live in the forest with the lions and birds, maybe, right? Even at the cost of becoming a meat to the lion or a tiger, at least I'll have that feeling, okay, I'm living among the innocent things. But these people, worldwide, the society, the created by educated population, creating hell after hell, they are pushing me to the edge. They've been pushing me to this edge forever. In my entire life cycle, they have been pushing. These humans only are pushing me to the edge to just run away from the humans. Then I have to educate to the population who is that one? Who is that black sheep? Who is that criminal who is making these humans to throw acid on me? Means it is Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II. So that is why even at the cost of people who threw acid on me, I just want them to live free. Right? I want Associated Bank to live free. I only can bail out Associated Bank, nobody. Let them laugh at me. Let them mock at me. Let them bully me. Right? A talent is a talent given by God. They cannot steal it. They cannot steal it. Nobody can steal it. They cannot steal it. Right? Today, what they are going to do? Today, where is the Associated Bank going to keep their face? Because it's the deadliest crime. That EMV chip provided it's a tax fraud crime. Where is Associated Bank going to keep its face? When they were busy laying me off abruptly, not even aware of my situation. Right? Should I have to tell them every single thing of my personal trauma that I've been undergoing through? Please do not lay me off. Is it my job? What if I was a colored skin? What if I was a European skin? Then they would not have laid me off, isn't it? It is the humans who are pushing me to the edge to just run away from the humans. I'm so done with all this crap that's been bombarding on me. I am just displaying this true crime. The true criminal is this. It is Pope Francis who is educating all these foolish people to throw acid on me. And I want civil justice no matter what. I want civil justice for that. My career path is destroyed, right? I'm already in the middle age. How many times I have to get prepared for the interview and then, it frustrates, right? Why humanity destroyed means it is Pope Francis who destroyed the humanity. And for destroying the humanity, he is allowed to live tax-free in the palace in the Vatican. Why the brain got lost for the US government? Why? I want USA government to pay me $1,500,000 trillion. Let USA go crazy. Let all people call me greediest. It's okay. I will ask, can you take my scars? Can you take my shame? Can you take my career destruction path? Can you be unemployed for me? People will just back off, right? People will just back off. Because that is how the brain operates. Humans cannot share the pain of other people. There is one who can share. It's only true God who created me from the dust, right? It is true God all along knows whatever I've been undergoing through. It is the God-given strength I'm living. I'm super frustrated with all this kind of crap that's been going on. As if all this scandal is there. At least Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks should have fixed all this crime within that 1 minute, and then at least they should have provided a new mask quantum. Right. But they never did that. That is a crime in a crime. Right. You all got it now. Why Department of Health Services became freaked out more. Whatever they were providing for health services, whatever they were providing for healthcare insurance, everything is wrong. It's crime. Tax, crime. Hewlett Packard must be sealed and shut down. DXC technology must be sealed and shut down. Now where will they have their face for? They laid me off just because I displayed. It is Pope Francis who created the crime. Where will they have their face? I don't know, because I am going to, this is only the 10%, the remaining is asked, remaining 10% of the crime, isn't it? And this one is super crime. Whatever crime I'm displaying is the deadliest crime only. And if you go and look into this screenshot, it talks about the Europe nations one by one. How many Europe nations are there? Norway, Finland, Greenland, Iceland, Sweden, Denmark, Spain, Portuguese, Italy, Germany, France, United Kingdom means Ireland, Scotland, London, right? Then all the way to the Ukraine, Slovenia, Croatia, blah 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 like that, right? Go look into that screenshot. Your blood will boil. Your blood will boil. As if the US dollars scandal is not enough, these Europe nations always from the start, they have been, it's a very long time. Today they at least push to create the Bitcoin. That's a crime. Right? But before even they wanted to make it as a euro dollars. Remember, people were talking about the euro dollars. It was very long time, decades back. They created euro currency to be Bitcoin. Still they are fighting. They want the Bitcoin to be worldwide. And the USA got fooled. Even the dollar, the US dollar, it's a foolish, they got fooled. Who fooled it? Fake Israel fooled it. How? With the name of Israel. Israel, why? Israel is a true Christian word. So that is how USA got fooled. Everything has a trace. A process is an excellent process when it is traceable and measurable to identify the root cause and provide the risk mitigation process. Everything is traceable. Go look into the screenshot when I finish this session. Your blood will be boiling. Your blood will be boiling. As if the credit card standalone crime is not enough, Visa card, debit card or credit card crime is not enough. Can you see how many crimes is exponentially increased? They created a havoc. They created a disaster. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, this is the darkest history in the entire human kingdom, exclusively only for the absolute foolish nation. USA will not even understand that. Yes, my dear fellow mankind. So this particular civil justice is all about EMV chip, okay? And I provided, it's like I'm displaying all the crime, right? So anyways, I will quickly read through the civil justice, and I must get the civil justice right now, according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So either Europe nations should say they know what is Holy Bible, or the Europe nations should say don't know what is Holy Bible. Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth should say knows what is Holy Bible, or should say don't know what is Holy Bible. Okay? Quarter 1, 2021. So it is the deadliest crime is at fault found guilty, Republican government and Democrat of USA and absolute monarchs, Antichrist Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard and Visa card, tax fraud crime worldwide. Antichrist Pope Francis created EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard and Visa card, tax fraud. Is proved by I. Vedapriya Prose. Antichrist Queen Elizabeth II created EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard and Visa card, tax fraud crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Prose. Then, for I. Vedapriya Prose, For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved the scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is the Roman king, empire king he wrote as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republican Europe, nations worldwide, Republica Atfall found guilty, prostitutes of Europe, ESA, tax fraud, March of 2021 is proved. So Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, EMV chip, that is Europay, MasterCard and Visa card tax fraud provided tax fraud is a crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Queen Elizabeth II provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Pope Francis provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, GOP Mitch McConnell provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, President Trump 2016 to 2020 and President Joe Biden 2020 to 2024 provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Roman province Jesuits organizations of state of Wisconsin, state of Michigan, state of Illinois, state of New York, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I Vedapriya Prose. Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and debit EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard and Visa card tax fraud created robocall poverty mandate, enforced poverty disabled to I Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 is proved for prostitute Republica government of USA to steal rightful Supreme Court judge job of on October 2018 that rightful belonged to I Vedapriya Prose, so civil justice must be served immediately. Then I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme judge, the owns the text for this ongoing civil justice sign-off, at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government, USA Democrat government as in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and debit card, EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard and Visa card tax fraud created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus since October 2018, October 2019 and October 2020, and as of January 2021, February 2021, March 2021 to I Vedapriya Prose, and also enforced finance disabled to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is a crime for Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government and Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and debit EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard, and Visa card tax fraud created, the robocall poverty mandate is proved, and so civil justice is I Vedapriya Prose wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus and sign off tax free $5,000, and Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and debit EMV chip, Europay, MasterCard and Visa card tax fraud created robocall poverty mandate is fatal negligence, so must be sign off tax-free $1,500 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness of God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. Thank you all for your time, my dear fellow mankind, and I am positive. Please provide the blindest faith that I sure will provide all the rightful medical compensation for entire human kingdom. But for that, I should get the job offer signed off immediately. There should not be any delay. So that is why I'm providing non-stop the civil justice. It's a multitasking is the wisdom. Thank you all for your time. This particular session is a deadliest crime, the proof that EMV chip is a deadliest tax fraud crime. That calculator itself is created to be that way. It is created by Pope Francis, and Pope Francis knows this scandal, but he never bothered to fix it. So that is a crime. So Pope Francis must resign, and I must become the Vatican bank leader immediately. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.